Hi, this is Dana again. During our last session, we talked about how changing your transmission fluid could save you thousands in transmission repairs. Today, I want to talk about another maintenance item that many people don't think about, yet it can save you a ton of money. One of the biggest reasons we see for replacing fuel pumps today is fuel filters that are clogged or partially clogged. When this happens, your fuel pump functions like your heart. It has to work very hard to get the gasoline through the filter to the engine. If this continues for any period of time, it overworks the pump and eventually will cause it to fail. Most fuel pumps are electronic and are located in the fuel tank. In many cases, this repair can cost hundreds or even over $1,000, not to mention a possible tow and/or loss of a vehicle for a day or two. To help prevent this, your fuel filter should be replaced approximately every 1 to 2 years, depending on your driving conditions. Replacing your fuel filter will cost a lot less than replacing the fuel pump. This is another example of a small maintenance item saving you a lot of money. If you would like to make an appointment or have any question about your vehicle, give us a call.